Is your Subaru Outback failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without maps or music? Statistics show that 80% of infotainment connection issues are solved without needing a trip to the dealership. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by inspecting your cable, cleaning the ports, and checking for any pending Starlink firmware updates. Check your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay is permitted while locked and that your phone is fully updated. If simple checks fail, perform a hard reset by deleting the pairing from both the head unit and your phone. Try these home fixes first, but seek a professional if you suspect physical damage to the vehicle's USB port. Half of all connectivity issues are simply due to a worn-out or non-certified charging cable. For persistent issues, consider performing a master reset on the infotainment system or checking the relevant power fuses. Keep a high-quality cable and compressed air in your glove box to handle minor connectivity hiccups on the road. Always test with a different phone before assuming your car's hardware is the source of the problem. Try these steps in order, and you will likely have your CarPlay back up and running in no time.